Alright everybody, it's your boy JG back with another tutorial video. So today what we'll be doing is showing you guys how to add your capture card audio into OBS. A few weeks ago I was dealing with this same exact problem. I was looking all over YouTube. I couldn't find the right help at all. I came across one video. The guy, what he recommended did help a little bit, but it didn't quite solve the whole problem. So I had made a comment on what worked for me, and a few people responded to me and saying, oh, yo, it's not working for me. Can you like show me how to do it? So basically what you want to do is add your new scene. I have the scene right here already. Then what you want to do is go over to sources. You want to add yourself an audio input capture in, make a new one if you don't already have it on. Pull the drop down list down, and then your capture card audio should be among the items listed. And then I'm going to add my capture card so you guys can see that it does work. Alright, so I got the capture card up. And now I'm going to just move the mic controller around so you guys can see that it does work. Alright. That was it for today's video, guys. Make sure to let me know down below if this worked for you. If it didn't work for you, I'll try to find something else that may work. If it did work for you, leave a like, a comment, and if you can subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. But this is it for you guys. Until next time, I'll peace out.